Good morning, y'all. I guess my day has officially started. Hey, Papa Lupa. Good morning. Good morning. My sweet girl. Hey, where you going, Renee? See, this is the thing when Rain finishes her sleep on my bed because she's always trying to get off. So good morning and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm SK. Before I continue talking with this raspy voice, I'm going to jump into today's sponsor. Thank you to Ultra Human Ring Air for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I'm so excited to share this product with you as I've been testing it out for about a month now. If you love wearing fitness watches, smartwatches, then this ring will definitely get you excited. There are about 5 color options for you to choose from. As you will see, I opted for the gold. It is ultra thin with a smooth inner shell, which makes it very comfortable to wear throughout the day and at night. This means you can comfortably do all your regular activities without hindrance, which includes sleeping. It's able to assess your total sleep duration, resting heart rate, and restfulness, giving you a full insight of your sleep quality. As a mom of 3, I absolutely love this feature as it made me realize how much sleep I was actually getting and how much that deeply impacted my day caring for 2 babies. I love that it shows your stress level too. The Ring Air comes with a non-contact temperature sensor and it effortlessly monitors your body temperature. Love that. You're also able to track your steps and how many calories you've burned off for the day. Another awesome feature is that it is water resistant up to 100 meters, so you never have to take it off during a shower or while swimming. The battery can last up to 4 to 6 days, which is incredible, but of course this depends on your usage. It also charges up pretty quickly. More features include your monthly cycle tracking and pregnancy insights and so much more. You are able to access your progress throughout the day through the app, which is free of course, so yeah, it does not come with a subscription cost. You also get a report on your progress each morning. Oh, and if you misplace your ring, you can locate it through the app feature Find My Ring. To get the world's most comfortable and compact smart ring that monitors your sleep, movement, and recovery, please click the link in my description box and it's also pinned in the comments, and you can use my discount code LWSK10. Are you ready for your milk? I guess that's a yes. Rainy is such a loving girl, I'm telling you. Rainy, no. Okay, I was crawling to go towards the fan now. I'll be back, y'all. So I am up. Rainy's up. Are you up? Yeah? Say, I'm up, guys. Yeah, so what I'm actually going to do right now, why did I come in the kitchen? I'm going to put Rainy in her swing. Believe it or not, it's after 9 in the morning and River is still fast asleep. I don't know why, but I'm gonna get an early start with making his breakfast. Fed Rain already off camera, so Rain was fed within less than 5 minutes. She eats so fast, don't you, Rainy? Yeah. Rain loves kisses, you know, so let me go and put her in her swing right now. I'm gonna put you in your swing. Ready? Yeah. You see the TV? Yeah, Mama's gonna put on Miss Rachel for you. You see how happy she is? Look for Miss Rachel for her. So these so good.
Hello, babe.
I forgot that I have some dishes here that I didn't wash last night. Now this is the worst, you know, when you don't wash up at night. I'm gonna make River's breakfast before I wash up, because by the time I done wash up, I'm sure he's gonna be awake. So let's put on the kettle. It is so sunny. You see that? So while that kettle is on, I'm gonna brush my teeth. Because y'all probably say, wait, SK gonna brush her teeth? Is she not gonna brush her teeth? I am gonna brush my teeth. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do now. and I will see you guys back in the kitchen. So my face is all washed now, okay? Don't drag me for the little thing I had in my eye. I didn't see it. But on another note, River's awake.
Hi, what?
Hi. Good morning to my Rivy. Good morning to you. How is my baby? You know I love you so much. That's it. What you passy in? Tickle you passy. Say good morning. Yesterday we was watching Meet the Mitchells vlog and hear him good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
He loves watching Meet the Mitchells. Oh my gosh. You ready to come out? You come in?
I'm coming.
Yeah. Alright, hold on. Mama put on some lip gloss, okay?
Oh,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah, I'm done now. My lips are too dry, Riv. You saying cheese? Guys, every single morning, Riv, when he wakes up, he actually does number 2.
Barbecue.
So, yes, number 2. Poo poo.
Barbecue.
We don't call it number 2, do we? We say you pooed, right?
Barbecue. Barbecue.
But number 2.
Barbecue.
Can you say number?
Never.
Yes, number 2. Yeah, but he didn't do that. He didn't do that yet. So I wonder if I can possibly get him to go on the potty, because I bought a potty. Might be a bit late with starting the potty training, but we're gonna start potty training. So I have the potty like probably a week now, and I only put him on it once, but not even with his diaper off or anything. So I do have some pull-ups. I bought these pull-ups, yeah. They're Huggies. They were like £4 something for like 20 in the pack, but I absolutely love them. You gotta get some breakfast. I was thinking about making him some oatmeal pancakes for breakfast, which consists of oats, a bit of flour, you know, vanilla essence, egg, cinnamon, stuff like that, and just make it. I haven't made it for him in a very long time, so I don't even know. Let's put some powder. So I don't even know if he's actually gonna like it. Come, Rivy, put on your. Hold up. Can you tell Mama when you poop though? Like if you wanna poo, say Mama potty. Can you try and poo on the potty today? Yeah. Don't poo in your nappy. We're gonna poo on the potty. River probably like, what is she talking about? You didn't sleep in your pajamas last night, huh? We didn't have time for PJs last night. Okay, come. Say a proper good morning to the people now. Look at him now. Yeah. Say good morning, guys. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. So here he is, y'all. We actually pulled out. You see how long River's braids lasted? We actually took them out. Well, Sean took them out. You like it, Rivy? So I'm like, you like your curly hair? He's like, I like it. Send him a kiss. Kisses for them. Send him a kiss. That's a kiss. You shy, Rivy, to send a kiss? Oh my goodness, Rivy. Come try your nappy in the garbage. Rivy, you didn't pee much last night, did you? You barely peed. Here, go straight in the garbage. Hold on. Thanks, Rivy. My sweet boy. So let me go and get in the kitchen. He's just gonna watch Miss Rachel with Reed. Hopefully he don't bother me down for breakfast, because when he get up extra hungry, he wants something to eat straight away. So let's hope that he just go out and watch some TV with Rainy until I am done. Change of plans. I'm actually gonna make some Weetabix for him instead, because that's a lot quicker. I just feel like just because he woke up so late, the oatmeal breakfast, the oatmeal pancake is gonna take a while. So I'm just gonna do some Weetabix. So I normally give him, I used to give him like 2 with a banana, but I don't have any banana, so I'm just gonna give him 3. It's banana flavored as well, so I don't really need to put any sweetener in there. I don't put any sugar or anything. He likes it like that.
A big dog.
Mama's making porridge, Rivy.
Porridge.
Yeah.
Porridge.
Yes.
What's this?
Yeah.
What are we?
No! That's hot, River. Oh my gosh, don't do that. God have mercy, these children know how to give you a little mini heart attack, eh? River going to take up the kettle just now. It's okay, River. It's okay, it's hot. I know, I don't want it to burn you, River. Okay? It's okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit of cinnamon in there for him. Yeah, cinnamon. And then I'm just gonna add the milk. We have to add milk. It's just whole milk. And then I'm gonna mix that around. Kayla? Good morning. Can you put River in his high chair for me, please? Thank you. Kayla's awake now, y'all. It's almost ready, Rivy. Go sit in your high chair, Riv. Go sit down. Go on.
Here.
Here you go, Rivy. Hold on. We're gonna put on your let's put on your bib. Wait, let's put okay. Alright. Let's put on your bib so you don't make a mess of your clothes. Is it yummy? That's a big spoon, River. Rain is just right here, yeah, so she's next to him. Kelly, you're washing today, aren't you? Oh, okay. Right, so now I'm going to go off camera. Hurry up, do this, do this. I don't even know what we're having for breakfast. Change of plan for my breakfast. So everything I had in mind is like no longer, because I was gonna have some bread rolls, some nice tuna, you know, with some cut up onions and peppers. I'll put on some egg to boil, because I love to have tuna with boiled egg. And I was just gonna have bread roll, but I don't have any mayo. The mayo finished and I didn't even know. Yeah, Sean made coleslaw yesterday with the rest of the mayo, so no mayo. So the eggs are already on, the bread rolls are already on, so I guess it would just be bread rolls and boiled egg. Boring. And I'm just gonna go and make some coffee. So yeah, see, River didn't really eat. He didn't eat off everything. Sometimes he does, but I guess not. Then he came in here asking me for milk. I'm like, no. Rain is getting annoyed because usually I'm already done at this time and I'm already in the living room. And I normally take her out. She goes on the floor, does her thing, and yeah, but so she doesn't like being in the swing. She likes the swing when she's watching Rachel for a bit, but if it takes too long, she's extremely annoyed. So yeah. Yeah, let me make breakfast. You hearing, River? Take that bite, driving me mad. I'll be back. River! What's wrong with you? What you gonna make in the bathroom harassing Kayla? Or is Kayla harassing you? What's that?
Eggs.
Yeah. You want egg? Cannot get River to eat egg. Huh?
Eggs.
You don't like egg? You like it? You don't like it. Can you say Pachycephalosaurus now?
Quacky.
Pachycephalosaurus.
Quacky.
Yeah, we just figured out that River. So I have this thing, right? So every time he says this, he's like, he says, I eat a paga, and I'm like, what's a eat a paga? Then I realized River been saying, I see a spider, cause he thinks like this looks like a spider. Go watch Miss Rachel. Yeah, so he's been saying that he see a paga. He says spider, he says paga for spider. There's so many things, like you think these children not saying things, but they are, but you just don't know what they're saying. But eventually you figure it out, and that's why us as parents get to translate for other people, you know, and they say, what did he say? It is not making any sense. So I eat a paga is I see a spider, okay? So right now Rain is asleep. I've got ShéKayla in here with her. I'm just tidying up the living room a little bit. River, actually, I put him in. It's still morning. It's just about 11 o'clock. I had to put River in his crib just for a little time out because it just had so much going on and he was just getting all miserable. So sometimes we do that, you know, put him in, let him get some time, just a few minutes. So I'm just sort of like cleaning the carpet right now. So as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna get him. But she's fast asleep in her swing, thanks to her. Kayla, somebody commented and said, why ShéKayla always look, but look at me now, them say, why ShéKayla always look unhappy? Are you unhappy, ShéKayla?
No.
Look at the camera. Are you unhappy?
No.
So why do you look unhappy in the vlogs?
I don't know.
You don't know? Anyway, I told them that you're not into the vlog as much, so you kind of just keep to yourself and just ignore what I am doing. But the camera be catching you in some angles where you just look like you're in your own world, like you don't even want to be here right now. She ain't unhappy, folks. She good. You know, that's just how it is if you've been watching us for some time. Yeah, the vlog started when ShéKayla was about 9 years old. She's now 14. So, you know, y'all see her going through her changes. So that's just what it is. Teenagers, some of them love the camera, some of them not so much. ShéKayla does it in her own time. Sometimes it's a mood for her. If she's not in the mood, then, you know, but she's good. She's happy, promise you, nothing's going on. She's good. But yeah, let me just finish this, bring River out. It's a totally different sort of routine in the morning for me. When ShéKayla goes back to school, things will change. So probably in the future I will do another video just to show you guys what it's really like when it's just myself at home, because things get tricky. I'm actually not looking forward to when school reopens, because having ShéKayla around, I get so much help. Because in the evening, like, Rain doesn't like to be alone. If Rain cannot see me or she can't see anyone, she's not staying alone. River was so different. We could leave River in here and he would just be in his own world watching TV, all of that stuff. But Rain is not like that. Rain is much like ShéKayla. ShéKayla wasn't always crying, but she needed to see someone was still around for her to be happy and comfortable. So she'd be alone playing with her toys and stuff, but she needs to see somebody in that peripheral. If she ain't seeing nobody, she's not staying alone. And Rain is much like that. And sometimes she likes to be on the floor in that and not in the swing. And if I'm in the kitchen, I can't have her on the floor because I'm cooking and all of that stuff, which is why an open plan house is so good. You know, I remember saying, oh, I love that the kitchen is not attached to the living room and whatever. But when you have young kids now, like when I had Kayla, it was open plan. And yeah, but I kind of wish we had open plan. And perhaps our next place that we do get, we can have an open plan kitchen and living room sort of thing, because then I could just always have eyes on her, you know. She could always see me while she having fun in her own little zone and stuff. But yeah, that's what it is right now. So I'm just gonna finish tidying up a little bit, get River out, and see if I can take a shower before Rain wakes up. Then I have some clothes to fold up. I have to take out some, I took out some chicken wings. I might cook that. I just try to do some chicken breast. I don't know. While ShéKayla is here, I'm gonna do the wings because she's going out with her dad tomorrow and I won't have time to clean the wings and all of that stuff. I'm gonna have to cook something easy because it's just gonna be me alone tomorrow. No Sean, no Kayla. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, Renee, what you eating? Your sister out here babysitting and she got you eating this thing from River's clothes that I bought. You can't eat that, Renee. Where are your toys? Renee. Okay, all right. Go, Renee. Renee, say mama. You coming from my phone? Mama. Where you going, Rennie Bunga? Where Rennie Bunga going? Where you going, Rennie? Do you want a snack?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, let's get one.
Okay.
Rennie, you coming too?
Okay.
Look at Rennie go, yeah. Look at Rennie go. Go, Rennie. Go, Rennie. Go, Rennie. So guys, I actually put River on the potty like 20 minutes ago and unsuccessful. Hear him now? He's like I pee-pee. I'm like, no, you didn't. But he sat there for a couple minutes, and I was hoping that we would have been successful the first time around because he still ain't poo. Usually River poos in the morning and then at lunchtime kind of thing, and he still ain't poo yet, and it's almost his nap time. You want a cookie?
Okay.
Okay. Which one? Which one you want though? What about this? You want a yogurt?
Oh.
You can get a yogurt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rewind this. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get you a spoon. He's gonna get it's yogurt, banana, and oats in this pot here. He loves it. And if you're new here, you guys might be wondering like, do I not give food to the baby? Yeah, I still exclusively breastfeed her, even though you know what? She's 7 months old, but in my previous vlog, I was like, hey go Ravi, you gonna let Kayla give this to you? I don't want you to make a mess. Let's go. Come. Yeah, in my previous vlog, I was saying, you know, things just, oh, Rainy, you still here? Rainy Bunga is still here. Are you coming, Rainy Bunga? Come on, Bum Bum. You taking selfies? Would that be you and River?
Yeah.
Stop it. Are you in River? Are you in Rain? Stop it. ShéKayla is so, look at, okay. Look at ShéKayla and River combined, y'all. You actually look nice. It's nice. So it basically, oh, it closed. So it gave you River's nose. You kind of got his top lip too. That's crazy.
Me and Rain look scary.
You did you and Rain?
Wait, I'm gonna do it right now.
Yeah, I know.
This don't look scary. This look okay. Look at her and Rain. This is cute too. I like both of them, but I think I prefer you and River.
Yeah.
Rainy Bunga, why you crying? What's up, girl? Come back. Come here, Rainy. Yes, so I was basically going on about the fact that, you know, I breastfeed Rain because, look at River, because she don't want to eat food. But honestly, I realized that every time I give Rain food from my plate, like food that we're eating, she actually eats it. We even had come to mama. Come. Up. You did it, Rainy Bunga. You did it, Bunga Bunga. Yes, so I realized that Rain eats our food because even day before yesterday we had pizza. And I was giving her pizza, she was eating it, opening her mouth for it. Last night we were having dinner. I realized every time I give her rice, she eats the rice and like she wants to grab the plate and everything. So I was just kind of giving it some time, and then I do realize that Rain prefers our food, but I don't know if I could be giving Rain rice. I don't want her to choke. I don't know. So I give her like little bits and stuff and she eats that. So I'll probably plate up food for her when I do ours. I don't know. That's a start though, right? Because she's been so picky. She don't want to eat anything, but it's a start. Kara. River calls Kayla Kara now. He used to call her Sewa for a long time. Now he says Kara. Are you happy? Come here, Rivi. Big hug. Yay. Yeah. Give her another hug. Give her a big hug. Rainy loves your hugs, Rivi. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. I love you too, Rivi. You sweet boy.
Sweet boy?
Yeah, you're a sweet boy.
A sweet boy?
Your name is?
River.
And you are a? Boy. Don't you say octopus. River always messing with me, you know. Every time I be like, your name is? He's like, River. I'm like, and you are a? He always making up something. He would never say boy. And he know he's a boy. Aren't you a boy? You're not a sea lion. Did I say this in a vlog before? It's because we always making up stuff. Like, I am a lion. I am a... So now that I want to be serious. To tell him that he needs to say he's a boy. River think he's still doing that. I am a lion crab. So he always talk about I am a octopus. Are you ready for nap time? It's time to take a nap. It's time to take a nap. It's sleepy time. It's time to take a nap. Give me a kiss. Mwah. I love you. We have a bedtime song. We have a nap time song. It always goes the same. It's time to take a nap. At bedtime, it's time to go to bed. Flush your toilet, but you didn't use it yet. So guys, this is River's nap. This is his potty, which is right next to our toilet. It's a nice little potty, and it has like the flushing motion, but River keep flushing it before he use it. So I have some water in his potty. Come, River, let's try again, baby. Come.
Sit.
Say hi, guys.
Guys.
Say I'm on my potty. Are you on your potty?
Okay.
Yeah. You say okay, yeah. You need some privacy. River needs some privacy, y'all. Just figured let's do that before he even go and take a nap. I don't want to bathe him yet either. I need him to poo. And then when he wakes up from his nap, because it's now 12, so when he wakes up from his nap, he can get a nice bath, shower. We take showers. He doesn't take baths, he takes showers. Yeah, Rainy takes baths, doesn't she? But you take a shower. Yeah, potty training could be hard work, huh? It's like, oh my gosh. How do I encourage her to poo? Like, I guess it just needs to happen naturally, but you know, parents try to force things just to make their life easier. I don't know. You're not done. Did you poo?
I died.
You're not done. Did you poo poo?
I died.
I'll be back. Guys, no pee, no poo. Here's your blanket. See you later, Rivy. What's gonna happen is River is not gonna go to sleep right now. He's gonna stand up in his crib and he's gonna poo. He's gonna poo in there. I always know when he does it because when I'm checking him on the camera, he's not lying down. He's like standing up and playing, and when I say lie down, River, he doesn't lie down. And then I'm like, River, did you poo? And he's like, I'm stinky. So okay, Kayla, I'm gonna go bathe. Is that okay? I'm gonna top up Rain a little bit, and then I'm gonna go bathe, freshen up, comb my hair and all that stuff, take this off. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Rain, don't go there because you're gonna get stuck under the couch again and cry. Do not put your head under there. What does she see? What she want? What's under there, Boom Boom? Rainy? Mama. Can you say mama? Mama. Yeah, mama. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all see how Rainy gets around? This is how she does it. I am all showered up. I feel so refreshed. Oh my gosh, did my skincare and everything. Rain is awake. Yeah, she just got up as well, so she slept for a little while. All right, why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? As soon as Rain see me, she starts screaming. She was fine out here with Kayla. So what I'm gonna do is try and give Rain some yogurt. This is strawberry yogurt, so I'm gonna try her with that, see if she likes it, because you can't look at her. You want some? Hold on, Mumba Lumba. Wait. Yeah, hold that. Are you ready, Rainy? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. It's yogurt, Rainy. You don't want it? Can't touch it. You have to eat it. Yogurt. Here, Rainy. Yeah. It's not so bad, is it, Rainy Boonga? It's not so bad, is it, Rainy? Let's see if Rainy wants more yogurt. Here you go, Boom Boom. Yay! Oh my goodness, Rainy, I'm so proud of you. Yummy yogurt, guys. Rain is eating the girl is doing so good. Yeah, Rainy Boo Boo. Good job, Rainy Boom Boom. Can I scream? Ah! Is Rain really having yogurt? Oh my gosh. She's a changed girl, y'all. Rain trying things now. I'm so glad. Taste buds free up now, right? Here, dear. I'm gonna continue feeding her this. And before River gets up, I want to start dinner, actually. He's probably got like another, you think he got another hour to sleep, Kayla? Probably another hour before he gets up. I'm going to start cleaning up those chicken wings. I'm just going to throw them in the air fryer. So Rivy's all showered up, y'all. Come here, Rivy. Come here, Rivy. Come here, Rivy. Hi, Rivy. Hi, Rivy. Hi, yeah. And Rain is all showered up. Rainy Boo Boo is all showered up too. Oh, she's going for the truck. Alright. And she's all fresh. I'm gonna go cook dinner, okay? Go. Kayla, you're in charge, yeah? I am so hungry. I didn't eat anything for lunch. So I'm gonna go and cook right now. I think she's stuck now. Look at what Rainy Boom Boom is doing. Oh, wow. Okay. No, you're gonna fall, Rainy. Oh my gosh. Check you out. What? Afraid to let her go. I don't want her to fall. Boom Boom. You're going up too fast, you know. Oh my gosh, Rainy. Oh gosh. Rainy Boom got... Okay. Hey. Don't eat that, Rainy. When I tell you today, I feel like today has been somewhat of a productive day. It has been a productive day. I didn't lose my mind today. But you know, people who talk about stay-at-home moms and all of that stuff negatively, that all needs to stop. It's hard work, you know. It's hard work. Remember I said that. For me, I do get a nice when my eldest daughter is at home. ShéKayla, she's 14. She's major help. Like right now, I can hear her in the living room. She's fussing and all of that stuff. And I am still in the kitchen. Wings are in the air fryer. I'm gonna do some rice right now, but it's time to feed her. She needs her top up right now. You know, it's not easy. It's a lot of pressure. No lie, I feel like I'm on a timer, like need to do this quickly because Rain is gonna act up. Rain gonna need her milk. It's hard. Oh my gosh. But I mean, we're managing, you know. And even like when Sean is at home and it's like, okay, he's a major help and everything with River. I don't know, it's something about boys and being attached to their moms, because even when his dad is here, he's still driving me nuts. I mean, he's like jumping on me. He's just hounding me all the time. Like we could all be in the living room and River would just be taking set on me, just jumping on me, cuddling up with me. I'm the one like saying, stop, River, stop. It's like, go to your dad, go to your father, now go to daddy. Why don't you go and harass him? So it's like I have him at home with me sometimes, like when he's off and all of that, but I'm still like the person. Like I'm everyone's person, right? I'm Sean's person, I'm River's person, I'm Rain's person. ShéKayla, at least I got a little break with her, but I'm still her person, if you know what I mean. Teenagers, yeah, so it's a lot of work. And for moms who choose to do this or don't have a choice in doing this for years, because this is a lot of people's reality, like they don't work at all. Like for me, I'm at home for a year, so I'm just in this stay-at-home life, mom life, you know, for a time. It's not a permanent thing, you know, but there are some people that raise their kids till adulthood basically, and you know, they go back into work well into their 40s, or when they're 50 they decide, you know what, I'm gonna go back to work. Kids are off to college now and all of that, but you have to give them the respect because they deserve that, honestly, because this is hard work. This is hard work. So today, usually I try to do some educational things with River, but where I fall short, depending on how the day is going, you know, like we love to read books and all of that stuff, but it doesn't happen every single day. There was a time where I was reading to him every single day, but where I fall short in that education, in that educational field, I do put on, you know, Miss Rachel and, you know, educational things on the TV, which works for us. It works for us. I know a lot of people say to limit screen time, but, you know, without that screen time, I would be screwed. I'm not gonna lie. It takes a lot of the pressure off, knowing that I can just let Miss Rachel take care of him just until I'm done doing what I'm doing. You know what I mean? Some people might not like the sound of that, but you know what? It's what works. Everyone is different, and sometimes it's just what works for you and your family. Screw the naysayers. We don't care what anyone have to say. It's what works for us, for our peace, for our sanity. It's what works for me. So thank you to Miss Rachel. Big up yourself. Yeah, and thank you to Kayla as well. Thank you so much to my baby. Ooh. That's the rice, that's the air fryer. It is time to flip the chicken. What I'm gonna do is just some honey barbecue sauce. That's my go-to. Every time I do the wings in the air fryer, I do honey barbecue sauce. Hopefully I can get it nice and sticky. Put a little bit of ketchup in there. And then this is a barbecue sauce that I use. It's AHB Sweet and Tangy Honey Barbecue. So I use that. Let me put a bit of sugar. And yeah, you have to add just a teeny tot. Then I've got some blossom honey, hilltop blossom honey. Squeeze that in there. Rainy, I'm coming, girl. And then I'm just gonna cover that and let that. I'm coming, Rainy boo boo. Oh my gosh, by the way, how did I forget to tell y'all? So many years ago, back in 2012, I think it was, back in 2010, yeah, because I got transferred there when I was pregnant to the Department of Disaster Management in Anguilla. And I remember at the time we were trying to get Anguilla tsunami ready, you know. So basically preparing the island, giving them information, you know, what to do in the event Anguilla gets an earthquake and then a tsunami, because Anguilla is a very flat island. We don't, I can't remember what the highest point is. I'm so sorry. We were like campaigning and all of that stuff, and like, you know, but anyway, long story short, my friend texted me from Anguilla and said, ShéKayla, these days I've been hearing your voice on the radio here talking about earthquakes and tsunamis and all of that stuff. And I was like, what? So I was like, hey, huh? She said, yeah. I said, you sure it's me? Because I don't remember recording anything about for tsunamis and whatever. She's like, yeah, it's you, because at the end of it you said, I'm ShéKayla, da 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 da. And I was like, what? So I was like, oh my gosh, I wish I could hear it. So she said that next time she hears it, she's gonna record it for me. So if anybody watching from Anguilla, have you heard that and didn't realize that is SK? Like, tell me. If anybody here, don't record it for me, send it to me on Instagram or something, because I want to hear. Oh my gosh, I don't even remember doing such a thing, but so cool. Anyways, I need to turn these wings. Oh my gosh, look how long the thing's been, and I'm here chatting to you guys. Terrible, terrible. Look, I need to flip them now.
Abby!
Rainy, what's up? Is Rainy misbehaving, Rivi? What are you watching? F is for fish. Hey, what's up? What's up, Rainy? Why are you being so loud? Alright. You could scream, huh? You're such a screamer, aren't you? Okay. Alright, we're taking you out now. A hippopotamus, yeah. H is for hippopotamus. Iguana. Yeah, okay, Rainy, alright. Hey, your belly full up now? She's all fed, y'all. Oh. What happened? You don't want no kisses from mama? But what the attitude for Rain? Why Rain giving me attitude though? Is it because I took too long? My daughter giving me attitude. So I told Kayla to turn off the gravy for me. That's finished. Chicken is finished. And now the rice probably should be finished by now. And then I'm going to go and plate up our food so we can eat. But yeah, it's cooked. I don't have to do anything. Snack. I'm going to give you some food, Riv. Not to snack. You want food?
Okay.
Do you want food? You want some food?
Okay.
Okay. What you biting up your finger? You know, I swear he be following Rain doing that, and he decided that he doing that too. Why? Huh? Why you biting your finger? Why you eating this finger? It's yucky.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna get your food. Okay. Mwah. I love you too. Then mama get your food out. Okay. Stand up. I'm gonna share out your food. So yeah, this is my food. All plated up, and I'm having that with some good I'm gonna say O2O, and I'm having that with some good H2O. That's just, oh, that's avocado over there, by the way. That's what I'm gonna have. And yeah, ShéKayla's having cucumbers with her. She doesn't like avocado. I wish we had more. We do have more coleslaw. It ain't much. Huh?
I don't need it like a lot.
Oh my gosh, that made me feel so happy. Yeah. I'm gonna use your fork. Which fork? What are you gonna use?
I don't know.
Here, look. A knife. You don't use a knife?
Oh, she needs a butter knife.
Kayla, you can't use a butter knife. I can't believe you got more coleslaw. I'm definitely having some coleslaw. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Shawnee. I thought all the coleslaw finished from yesterday. Ain't much though. You hear me going on? It's just a little bit, literally like a spoon I can get. I've got my coleslaw. That's coleslaw that Sean made yesterday. I need to put some gravy on my rice. I have to get gravy on my rice. Put a little bit more on my chicken. That is me done. So now I'm going to go and enjoy my dinner. We're going to, ShéKayla and I are going to watch Smallville while we eat. That's our thing. And yeah, so if you made it to the very end of this vlog, come here, Rivi. If you made it to the very end of this vlog, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Why are you getting mad? You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble. We're telling the people bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye.
Fall, River. Anyways. Yeah, so that's that. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Share it. River, you gotta learn to share, baby. Go play with Rainy. You gotta share it, okay? Sharing is caring. Give Rainy hugs.